In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add Google reviews to your Webflow website step by step. This is a great way to build trust, improve credibility, and increase conversions by showing real customer feedback directly on your site. We'll be using a no-code widget, so you don't need to write any custom JavaScript or touch complicated APIs. If you're building in Webflow and want Google reviews live on your site quickly, this guide is for you. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Webflow and website tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Elfsight Dashboard by visiting dash.elfsight.com. Elfsight is a popular widget platform that lets you embed things like Google reviews, testimonials, forms, and more into websites like Webflow. If you don't already have an account, you can create one for free. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Elfsight Dashboard. From the dashboard, click on Catalog. This is where all available widgets are listed. Inside the catalog, scroll or search until you find Google Reviews. Once you see the Google Reviews widget, click on it to open the setup process. This widget pulls reviews directly from Google and keeps them updated automatically, which is a big advantage. After clicking Google Reviews, you'll be taken to the template catalog. Click on Catalog again if prompted, and then choose the template that best fits your website design. You'll see different layouts like sliders, grids, lists, and badges. Pick the one that matches your style or layout needs. Once you've chosen a template, click on Continue with this template. This opens the widget editor, where you can customize how your Google reviews will look. Here, you can connect your Google business profile, adjust colors, fonts, layout, review filters, and more. Take a moment to customize everything so it matches your Webflow site branding. When you're happy with how the widget looks, click on Publish. Publishing generates the embed code that you'll use on your Webflow site. After publishing, click on Install. Elfsight will now show you a pop-up with an embed code. Next, click on Copy Code. This copies the full embed script to your clipboard. This is the code we'll paste into Webflow. Now, open your Webflow project. Go to the page where you want your Google reviews to appear. Inside the Webflow designer, search for the code embed element. You can do this by opening the Add panel and typing code embed, or by using the quick search. Drag the code embed element onto your page where you want the reviews to show up. Click inside the code embed element and paste the embed code you copied from Elfsight. Once pasted, save the embed. After that, publish your Webflow site. When the page loads, your Google reviews should now appear exactly where you place the code embed element. The reviews will update automatically as new reviews are added on Google, so you don't need to redo this process every time. And that's it. You've successfully added Google reviews to your Webflow website using Elfsight with no coding required. This is a powerful way to add social proof and boost trust with your visitors. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Webflow tutorials, no-code tips, and website growth strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.